I'm out here running errands. Just finished up at the gym. Great workout. Obviously took the scooter down here. It's just about freezing, 2 degrees. I'm going to do a battery test today, and I'm going to take you to the grocery store. I'm going to do what I set out to do. Grocery haul was simple. I'm not a complicated guy when it comes to groceries. Put them in the bag and we're headed home. After assembling what I would deem to be the coolest outfit for this Arctic occasion, let's see how she did. At +1, +2 degrees Celsius, so just about freezing, this scooter did about 10 kilometers, which I'm pretty proud of. It says 4 more to go, which would give me a total of 14. I'd knock that in half, let's say 12. It's rated at 20. So just over half of the expected range on a 1 degree day. And we know lithium ion batteries don't love the cold and don't do great on cold. So I'm pretty happy with that. Like, I really realistically today needed 1 to 2 kilometers. So plenty of reserve in the tank. Cannot wait to put the battery here though. Holy smokes, it's going to be a game changer.